तो प्यारे दोस्तों, जैसा कि हमने आपसे कहा था कि अगले वीडियो में हम रेल फ्रैक्चर के बारे में आपसे डिस्कस करेंगे। तो इस वीडियो में हमने रेल फ्रैक्चर के बारे में डिस्कशन किया है। तो यहाँ पे एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी आप समझिए और प्रैक्टिकल ड्यूटी के बारे में भी समझिए, और आपको मैं एक लोको पायलट का एक्सपीरियंस है वो भी आपको इस वीडियो में मैं शेयर करूँगा लास्ट में। तो बेसिकली एग्जाम में लिखते समय वी शुड कंसीडर 3 पैराग्राफ्स। इसको एग्जाम में लिखते समय 3 पैराग्राफ यानी 3 बिंदुओं पर हमें केंद्रित रहना चाहिए। फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ या पहला पॉइंट है कि लोको पायलट ने ऑब्जर्व किया है किसी रेल फ्रैक्चर को या रेल ब्रेकेज को, तो लोको पायलट क्या करेगा। इन केस लोको पायलट ऑन रन, he has observed a rail fracture, then if possible he will stop the train। गाड़ी को हम रोकेंगे, पॉसिबल है तो रोकने के बाद then loco pilot he will check the condition of the rail fracture। जहाँ पे ब्रेकेज है, बेल्ट फेल्योर है, उसको लोको पायलट चेक करेगा। If loco pilot feels it safe, yes, as per experience, if he is feeling it is safe and train can pass, then he should pass with a restricted speed of 10 kmph। 10 kmph के रिस्ट्रिक्टेड गति से उस पॉइंट को पास करना चाहिए। पास करने के बाद then loco pilot he will go to the station and he must inform to the station master। Then station master what he will do? He will advise rear station master to issue caution order to the train। What caution order will be given? Because already this one train has passed with 10 kmph. So second onwards, second, third, fourth, all trains will be given caution order of 15 kmph until इट इज रिपेयर्ड बाई PWI। जब तक PWI इसको रिपेयर नहीं करेगा तब तक पीछे की सभी गाड़ियां 15 kmph के कॉशन ऑर्डर को फॉलो करेंगी। ओके, वन मोर सिचुएशन में बी देयर कि सपोज लोको पायलट नॉट एबल टू स्टॉप हिज ट्रेन, देन आल्सो he has observed, he has noted down the kilometer location, and after coming to the station he will inform to station master कि I have observed a rail fracture at so and so kilometer। In that case also second, third and all onwards trains will be given caution order of 15 kmph। Okay, so that is the duty of loco pilot। One more point for the loco pilot कि suppose after stopping at the rail fracture point loco pilot observed that it is unsafe for the train, then what he will do? If it is unsafe for the train, then after stopping the train should be protected as per the rule, protection rule GR 6.03, automatic area then GR 9.10। so 6.03 का मीनिंग क्या है? 600 मीटर 1 डेटोनेटर, 1200, 1210, 1220 3 डेटोनेटर्स। GR 9.10 ऑटोमेटिक एरिया में गाड़ी के पीछे का प्रोटेक्शन का रूल क्या है? 90 मीटर 1 डेटोनेटर, 2 डेटोनेटर्स एट 180 मीटर एंड 190 मीटर। ऑटोमेटिक एरिया में केवल हम 1+2 3 डेटोनेटर्स लगाते हैं। और immediately loco pilot he will give message from the block section about the rail fracture, and train will wait until it is repaired or attended by PWI। so these are the first paragraph point। now second paragraph, suppose any rail fracture or any weld failure is observed by keyman or patrolman, then what they will do? They are having a method to take the measurement, and keyman patrolman they will take the measurement of the rail fracture। उसका measurement ले लेंगे। after measurement if it is less than 30 millimeter, यदि ये 30 मिलीमीटर से कम है, छोटा है रेल फ्रैक्चर, then कीमैन पेट्रोलमैन दे विल स्टॉप द ट्रेन, गाड़ी को रोकेंगे, एंड आफ्टर स्टॉपिंग द ट्रेन they will tell the loco pilot of the first train to pass with 10 kmph, and second train also similarly it will be stopped and it should be allowed with 15 kmph, third train 15 kmph, like that it will go, and until it is attended by PWI and repaired, till that time all rear trains will be going with 15 kmph. Last paragraph, that is third paragraph, whenever keyman patrolman they have observed a rail fracture which is more than 30 millimeter, then train should not be allowed. It is treated as unsafe condition. It must be repaired and attended by PWI, then only train can be permitted. Now I had told these are the 3 paragraphs we should write in the examination. For practical experience, I will share with you one loco pilot's individual experience which he told to me. What is that experience? One goods loco pilot on run, he has observed a rail fracture and his goods train was little slow, but after applying the brakes almost 50% train passed over the rail fracture. यानी ट्रेन का लगभग आधा हिस्सा रेल फ्रैक्चर को पार करके आगे चला गया, लेकिन आधा पोर्शन रेल फ्रैक्चर के पहले रुक गया था. But loco pilot has seen, so he decided to check the rail fracture point. So loco pilot train रोकने के बाद he has come and he has seen the condition of the rail fracture. Even though half train passed, still he decided further not to move the train because it was little dangerous, it was risky. From block section itself, that loco pilot he has given message to station master and all concerned. Now PWI came to the block section. He also observed the rail fracture. Then he was so much thankful to the loco pilot decision that yes, you have taken a very good decision, otherwise definitely derailment would have been occurred. तो लोको पायलट ने एक बड़ा एक्सीडेंट बचा लिया था. तो ऐसा डिसीजन कभी कभी हमको लोको पायलट को लेना पड़ता है, इसलिए वी शुड बी केयरफुल एज पर द सिचुएशन. वी हैव टू कंसीडर द सेफ्टी आस्पेक्ट. वो लोको पायलट को द मैटर वाज रिपोर्टेड टू DRM ऑफिस एंड आल्सो टू रेल निलियम. देन DRM award was given and man of the month safety award was given by CSO office, and his name was recommended for railway board award also. So like that, correct decision at required situation are always awarded, and award is not the important thing. Important thing is the safe running of our train. So I think you have understood this rail fracture point, and practical also we should be careful. So thank you so much. Suppose any doubt is there, you can ask in the comment box or directly you can contact me. But do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for your benefit. Thank you so much. Bye bye.